G'day people. Today I just want to show a few easy chords in open G for beginners. And normally open G or any open chords, it's very hard for a beginner to sort of know what's going on with open G, because if you open up videos about it, a lot of people are finger picking, so there's no actual playing of chords. And a lot of the chords that they do play are fairly complicated. This video is aimed at beginners, and we're going to use basically 3 chord shapes. The first one is in normal tuning, it would be an A7th. The other chord shape is the A minor 7th. And the other one is a bar chord, but we're only going to bar 4 strings. So this combination can give you a lot of different sounds that, are easy to play and sound really nice. So one of the things they say about open G is that it is Keith Richards tuning. And Keith Richards uses this tuning, but he often gets rid of the I can't even remember what it's called now, the D? Anyway, one of those. I don't know. Look, preface on this bloody video, I'm not a guitar teacher, I'm self-taught. The chords that I'm playing, I have no idea what they are. They just sound good to me, and this is what I do. I noodle, like noodling is just mucking around and playing. But one of the things you can do is you're only supposed to hit, say, 5 when you play the chords. With the top D or the E string, then you can hit all the strings, and you don't really have to worry about muting. And they talk a lot about muting strings, the top string when you're playing this open G. All I do is do that, and it just helps me. So these chord shapes that I showed you, which was the A 7th and the A minor 7th, can be used all up and down the fretboard. So you've got to open. First fret, use the A7th, very dramatic. You can use that on the 3rd fret, the 5th fret, 7th fret, the 8th fret, again dramatic, the 11th, 10th fret, sorry, 10th? I have to count that, yeah, 10th, and the 12th. You can even go to the 11th, 13th, again, dramatic. With the A minor 7th, you can use that on the 1st fret. So index finger on your 2nd string, middle finger on your 4th string in the 2nd fret, and then you can slide that up the fretboard. So that works on the 1st fret, 3rd fret. Doesn't really work anywhere else up until the 8th fret, and you can also go right up to the 13th fret. And then your bar chord, which is just you're barring 4 strings. You can use that anywhere. There, my intonation's out a little bit. So noodling with those, and noodling is just mucking around with that general shape. You can use it anywhere. So, for example, here's some noodling, just like, say, I'll show you 3 different sort of bits that can be turned into anything. So yeah, we'll just start. So I'm just flat picking there, very just up and down, basically. So any combination of that sort of thing can give you all sorts of stuff. So just normal strumming. So you can use it anywhere up and down the fretboard using that combination. Now, noodling is, say, just mucking around with that sort of sound and working different things out. So here I'm just going to play middle finger on the 5th fret on your 4th string. Slide it down 2 frets. Play your A minor 7th at the 1st. Slide that up to the 4th and add in your ring finger on the top string on the 5th fret. So we'll do that again. So we'll play that. So that's just noodling. So again, you can play that as a strum. What else can I show you? I can show you playing right up high and using the bar chords. So if we go the A7th on the 12th fret, down to the 10th fret, play the A7th minor on the 9th fret. So if we play that, and then I'm going to add in the bar on the first 4 strings on the 5th fret, and then I'll also add in a bar on the 7th fret. So let's combine those. So you can noodle along with that as much as you like. Hope you learnt something out of this today. Yeah, I love open tuning. I can't finger pick. Like I said, I can't read music. I don't know what these chords are called, but it all sounds good. So I just thought I'd show you, put it on video, just to show you that open chords or open G can be really easy to play if you noodle around and figure out what you're doing. All right, folks, that's all. Hooroo!